Hi students, welcome back to the world of English. In today's session, we are going to deal with Unit 2 Reading B, which is titled as What is a Player? Okay? Before we get into the poem, What is a Player? Let's know a little bit about the poet. The poem What is a Player is written by Jessica Taylor, who was born in Louisiana. She is a young poetess. She has developed her love for music and poetry at an early age. Most of her poems have focused on emotional issues with an emotional touch, like loneliness, I miss you, I hate, I'm worried, are some of her popular poems. Now, let's get into the actual part of our poem. Okay, now. A player is one who does not give up at the sight of defeat. Now, what does it mean give up? Give up is actually a phrasal verb. The meaning of give up is leave or forsake. So, a player is the one who does not give up. Okay, does not forsake at the sight of defeat. When he loses in his competition or contest, he does not give up. He does not lose his confidence. Okay? But learns from their mistakes and put them beneath. Okay? So, what does a player do? He learns from his mistakes. Okay, he learns from his mistakes and he does not give up at the sight of defeat. He does not lose his confidence when he loses. Okay, instead, he learns from the mistakes. Okay, a player is one who does not give up at the sound of the buzzer. Okay, so what does it mean, buzzer? Buzzer is a device that makes buzzing sound, right? So a player does not give up at the sound of buzzer. He always tries to give and do what he can do, but never waits from the buzzer. Okay, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. Now, what does it mean? He does what he can do. Okay, he always tries to give what he can. Okay, that's it. A player is one who does not whine about their playtime. Now, what does it mean, whine? Whine is to complain. He never complains about his playtime. He does not complain about his playtime. Because as a player, he knows it's an unacceptable crime. Okay, so why he does not complain? Because he knows complaining about the playtime is an unacceptable crime, not acceptable. Okay, crime you can understand, right? So he says, because a player knows it's an unacceptable crime, complaining about the playtime. Okay. A player is one who practices game speed. It's a clear, right? He goes on practicing because practice makes man perfect, right? So a player is the one who practices game speed. Always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. A player knows that and keeps in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. So he goes on practicing till he becomes perfect. That's what we see. He practices every day to increase game speed. Okay. A player is one who does not settle for anything less. He does not settle for anything less. Okay, he always tries to perfect himself. Okay, he always tries to perfect himself even knowing that they are not the best. Okay, a player never settles for anything less, though he knows that their team is not the best. He knows even though their team is not the best, but he never compromises with that. He goes on practicing for game speed and he always tries for the perfection. Okay? They will be the ones you see outside practicing. Okay? The players practice day and night for the perfection. Okay? They go on practicing day and night, whether it is raining or shining or sunshine is there. Okay? But they go on practicing. They are the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine, even though their ankles are hurt, but they never whine, they never complain about their hurts, but they go on running. They are the ones running on their hurt ankles and they never admit or complain about their hurts. Okay? A player is one who has a strong, sensible mind. It's clear, right? He has a strong and sensible mind. Never pondering about failing, only contemplating prevailing. Okay, so the player is the one who has a strong and sensible mind, that he never ponders, okay, or meditates. He never meditates about failing, but always thinks of the victory. Okay, he always thinks of the victory, only contemplating prevailing. Okay, now what does it mean contemplating? The meaning of contemplating is meditating, okay, or examining. Fine. A player is one who does not chicken out. Now what does it mean chicken out? To decide not to do something because of fear. Okay, he does not do anything because of fear. A player is the one who does not chicken out. Okay, who wants to be in the game when everything counts. Okay, who wants to be in game when everything counts. So he never chickens out, but be in the game counting everything. Okay, so the person who possesses all these is a good player. Okay, now that is a true player. Okay, it's a simple, students. In this poem, Jessica Taylor tells about the characteristics of a player. A player is a one who learns from his mistakes but never gives up at the sight of defeat. He always tries to give and do what he can do but never waits from the buzzer. A player knows that winning about the playtime, okay, winning is complaining about the playtime, is an unacceptable crime. Okay, unacceptable is not acceptable. Okay, and never does it. As he keeps in mind that their shots are not guaranteed, he practices every day to increase game speed. A player never settles for anything less, though he knows that their team is not the best. He always tries to perfect himself. The players practice day or night, in rain or shine. They run on hurt ankles, admitting that they are fine. A player has so strong and sensible mind that he never ponders about failing but always thinks of the victory. He never chickens out. The meaning of chickens out is to decide not to do something because of fear. Okay, but be in the game counting everything. So the person who possesses all these is a good player. I believe you have understood, right?
A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat, but learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. player is one who doesn't whine about their playtime, because a player knows it's an unacceptable crime. A player is one, oh, who practices game speed, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. A player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. They will be the ones you see outside practicing, day or night, rain or shine. They are the ones running on hot ankles, admitting they are fine. A player is one who has a strong, sensible mind, never pondering about failing, only contemplating prevailing. A player is one who doesn't chicken out, who wants to be in the game when everything counts. Now that is a